January is also known as Manuary, meaning it's the month to man up and become a mentor. And today, January 16th, is Thank Your Mentor Day. Zervin Singleton is here. He's a big brother with the Big Brothers Big Sisters of San Diego County. He's also a Marine stationed up at Camp Pendleton, Marine Corps pilot, helicopter pilot.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for your service to our country, first and foremost.
Thank you.
Do appreciate it. Also, you are a big brother with the San Diego County Big Brothers Big Sisters. What is that like, first of all, to kind of take a little guy under your wing?
It's just an amazing feeling. I mean, if anytime you have the ability to give back, you definitely should. And so for me to be able to help a young man, I'm not just helping him, he's helping me to learn so much about myself as well as him.
That is an interesting take on it all. Now, your little brother with the organization is Isaiah. Tell us about Isaiah.
Isaiah, he's 12 years old. He's in middle school. He loves basketball. He loves sports. And he's very active. And it's just a great opportunity when we get together just to have fun, do different things like go fishing, stuff like that.
We're looking at some pictures right here of Isaiah. Now, he got to accompany you on the job one day, it looks like.
Yes, ma'am. I took him to the helicopter, let him get a chance to check out some of the helicopters, see what it was like. Probably his first time seeing a helicopter, so it was pretty awesome.
I bet he was very, very impressed. So what sorts of things do you guys do together in order to sort of get him out of his house and let him learn from another man and have somebody else in his life as a person to guide him during these crucial years? He's 12.
It's all about being a role model. He lives with his mother and his sister, so he's around women all the time. So me and him, we get out and do different things. We've been fishing. We go to church. I teach him what it's like growing up in the church, being a man. Growing up to be that man, we go out and play basketball, different things. We've done gardening. We've done everything. We try to keep the spectrum pretty wide.
Now, what's great for you is since you don't have kids yet, you get to sample what it's like to have a middle schooler, preteen in your life, and then you just get to return him to his rightful owner. So how many hours a month do you devote to Isaiah?
So Isaiah, we usually spend a couple hours a week. And, I mean, I think they recommend about 4 hours, but it's just several hours a month that can change a young man's life.
What have you noticed in the difference in Isaiah since you've gotten to know him?
Isaiah, his mother texted me this morning. She was like, thank you for talking to him about doing his chores. I came home, he mopped and did the floor. And also his grades have been improving, and it just goes leaps and bounds.
That is amazing because the mother is noticing a difference. You're telling him, you know what, Isaiah, you need to help out around the house. You need to get good grades. And she's noticing it. And he's not just telling you, yeah, I will. He's actually doing what you're telling him is good advice to do.
Yes, ma'am.
That's fantastic. For other folks out there who might be considering getting involved and taking on a little brother or a little sister, for women who want to get involved as well, what do you tell them as far as people say, I don't know if I have enough time. I don't know if I have the energy to devote to this? I
tell them, especially men, it's time to man up, especially it's the month of Manuary. It's National Mentoring Month. And I promise you have the time. I'm busy 7 days a week with work, with school, different things like that, learning. And if you have the opportunity to give back, you definitely should. Like I said, it's just several hours a month that can change a young man's life. If more men man up, more women become big brothers and big sisters, we can change the world.
Absolutely. Because, again, a lot of these kids that are looking for a big brother or a big sister, they may be coming from single-parent homes, they may be coming from broken backgrounds, and they just need that one piece of stability in their life.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of them are usually on the waiting list about 18 months. Because of our Man Up program, they've been reduced to about 15 months. And a lot of them, 67% of those boys that are waiting, 67% are boys. And so we definitely need people to stand up, take charge, and man up.
Man up. It is Manuary.
Yes,
Zervin Singleton, again, thank you so much for what you're doing with Big Brothers Big Sisters and helping out Isaiah. And again, thank you for your service to our country as well. What an inspiration you are to this young man who's at those crucial years in life where he's looking for somebody to look up to. So thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, if you are thinking about taking on a little brother or a little sister, you'd like to become a big, go to this website at the bottom of your screen, sdbigs.org. All of the information will be there for you. Again, Manuary, time to man up or woman up and become a mentor. Up next, it's